Friends, today's topic is how to find and remove duplicates in Excel. Using Excel, how we can find duplicate records and we can remove that one. Let's see how it is happening. This is the example of few records here. We have serial number of particular students, a group of students. Among the students, there is some duplicate records are there. So we'll check which are the duplicate names available among this list. For that, to check that one, we have to select that one, the name, click on condition formatting, click on highlight cell rules, then select duplicate values. So these are the few names, that is Sonali Jha, Sandar Mahaji, etc. So these are the records. It is with highlight red color. It is showing these are the duplicate records. So we want to keep the unique value here and have to remove the duplicate ones. So for that, we have to click on data, click on advanced, click on AS. Then our category range is already selected here. So check the unique record only. Then click on OK. So once we click on that, already these 14 records, which is unique in nature, that is that will be remain here, and the two other 4 duplicate records that is deleted. And in another way also we can delete the duplicate records. Let's see how it is happening. So let's first, these are the duplicate ones. So we are going to clear the rules now on the enter sheet. To find the duplicate student name among these 18 records, we have to click on data. Here is the remove duplicates option is there. So expand selection already selected here. Click on remove duplicates. Here 3 columns are displaying. We have to select on which column we want to find the duplicate. So first we have to unselect one. Then we have to find the unique names only and remove the duplicate names. So that's why we select the name only. So click on OK. So click on OK. That is 14 values remains and 4 values found which are duplicates. So it will remove 4. So 14 will remain. Like previous one, 14 records will remain here. So these are the 14 unique records remain here. So it's very easy. In this way, we can find and remove the duplicate in Excel. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.